Or say you wanna go to Texas. Howdy, partners. Don't be a stranger, y'all. We got some green screen action, though. This gonna be lit. Alright, we got my Amazon package. I need a green screen. I've been messing around on Final Cut Pro on how exactly to use a green screen, so this should be fun. I need to get a knife. I could use this for packaging my Amazon FBA products. Newer brand green screen along with the Oho Sunshine camera glasses. I'm gonna do an unboxing video on this. Right now we're gonna open the green screen. Oh, it's gonna be lit. It comes with clamps too. That's perfect. I knew I was gonna need some clamps. This is gonna be lit, yo. I'm not sponsored by NEEWER. This was 20 bucks on Amazon. I got the links in the description below if you guys want to pick this up. Green screen is fun. If you're gonna be doing skits or if you just want to like mess around, just have some cool backdrops. Instead of buying a different backdrop every time, just use a green screen. You could just Google search any photo and you could just make it look like you're anywhere. There's no point of having all these different backdrops. Just use a green screen and you could literally put any image there. Make a custom backdrop, stock Google photos. You could put anything on a green screen. Let's mess around now. You could put this. How about that? How about that? How about this? This Greek dime dog. How about that? How about this? Change photo. I've been watching green screen tutorials on YouTube. Editing with a green screen, it's easy and it's fun. There. Or you could have a picture of me. Or that. See? It's fun, right? Okay, let's go to Studio B. Put up the green screen. Poshmark inventory right here. I gotta list all these items up on Poshmark. This is like the biggest dead pile here for the non-resellers. Dead pile is basically items that need to be listed still. So this is literally bins and bins of, I call it the dead bins. Everything that needs to be taken photos of and listed on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, but haven't got to it yet. That's called a dead pile. These are all dead piles, or dead bins, I should say. I got a lot of work to do, guys. White wall backdrop, the white wooden floor. I got this colorful backdrop. I got a plain white and a plain black. And now I got the green screen. Let's have some fun. It's a very good fabric too. It's not like a regular cloth. As you can see, it's thick.
That's what she said.
I could even use this as a blanket. Like that's how thick it is. Comes with 3 clamps. Got that green screen though. Man, this is big.
That's what she said.
No, but for real, this is huge. What the fuck? Hey, the bigger the better, right?
That's what she said. Ha.
The good thing about this, it's washable. You can throw this in the washing machine if need be. Big ass green screen, man. 15 by 9. I don't think I need it this big. I think I got it too big. I can always adjust it, make it smaller. We got some green screen action, though. This gonna be lit. We call this Chromakey. For all the filmmakers out there, you'll know what's up. Chromakey. Welcome to my new studio. Well, not new, I've had this studio. This is Studio B. We got Studio A and Studio B. Studio A is in my room where I have my computer, all the gadgets, acoustic foam, my turntables. That's where I'll be recording music, producing music, and editing my videos. And once in a while, I'll be shooting some videos in there as well. But this is gonna be more of the filming room. This is Studio B. This is where we're gonna be taking photos with the mannequins for all my Poshmark and eBay products here that I got a list. I got mannequins to display all my product. Now we have a green screen. So I could take photos in front of the green screen. I can use like different backdrops now. I don't have to stick to one backdrop. It's more spacious and I have a backdrop. So I'll be filming most of my videos here. Doing my sit down videos, tutorials. I'll be doing all my comedy skits here now. This will be mainly for my eBay store and Poshmark. All these clothes I have to list. It's probably what I'll do tonight. My goal is to list at least 20 items a day. But it's very time consuming. Alright, let's f around with this Chromakey green screen magic, yo. Oh, I'm gonna do a bit from this movie. Let's see if you guys remember this movie. Some of you might, but Gen Z might be a little too young for this, but remember this movie? Whoa. I'm in New York. I got a gun. Let's go to a Broadway show. Hey, taxi! Or maybe you prefer Hawaii. Mukulakahiki. Come on, you wanna lay me. Pass the poem, mahalo. Boom, chicka boom, chicka boom. Mahalo. Or say you wanna go to Texas. Howdy, partners. Don't be a stranger, y'all. Or imagine being magically whisked away to Delaware. Hi, I'm in Delaware.
Delaware. Hi, I'm in Delaware.
Alright, we had fun there. That's the Chromakey. I'm just messing around. It's the first time I've ever edited on a green screen. Final Cut Pro X. I've been watching a lot of YouTube tutorials, been messing around with Chromakey. Hey, Chromakey is fun, yo. Especially if you're gonna be doing some like comedy skits, even just like a sit-down tutorial, a talking head video, have some cool backgrounds behind. Like, there's no point of buying all these different backdrops, like this backdrop, the white brick wall. Just use a green screen. You could put any backdrop. It's gonna be fun. Got a lot more content coming up. I'm gonna try to get some comedy skits in. I'm gonna see what kind of creative juices we have in store. You know, I just like to f around. Like this channel, when I first made it, it was originally supposed to be a prank channel because I'm a prankster. Growing up, even without a camera, I was always that guy who was always pranking my friends. I was always cracking jokes. You know, I grew up to, you know, Jackass, Steve-O, Johnny Knoxville, Punked. That was my shit, you know what I mean? I always wanted to be a prankster. Even when YouTube started, I'm like, dude, I could like make my own pranks and put it up on YouTube. I always wanted to do that, but the thing is, I don't have a cameraman. Nobody wants to film me. None of my friends want to film me. So I'm like, dude, it's tough to do pranks when you're on your own, you know what I mean? That's why I just got into vlogging, because vlogging, tutorials, talking head videos, all you need is a camera and a tripod. Like, I could film this myself. But for pranks, I need someone to follow me with a telephoto lens and a 300mm, like zooming in, and like following me with wireless lavalier mic on. It's just so much easier to do pranks when you have somebody. But being alone, doing pranks is like almost impossible. So that's why I just got into vlogging, because vlogging is the only thing where I don't need to rely on anybody. I could do it all myself, you know? But now that I have the camera glasses, which I'm gonna have an unboxing video, unboxing the Oho Sunshine camera glasses, I can finally start doing pranks on my own. It's gonna be like a first person point of view reaction, so it'll be different. And my pickup videos too. I could be doing pickup videos, first person point of view. So you guys can see the woman's reaction on what I see, you feel me? Alright, I think I'm gonna end it right here. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Follow me on my journey on this grind. We surpassed 17K. It's been sitting on 17K for a minute, but hey, the numbers, right? We ain't doing this for the numbers. We ain't doing this for the money. I just want to entertain my people. I just want to put a smile on y'all faces. That's it. Alright? So the numbers. If you don't want to subscribe, it's all good. You don't have to. Okay, whatever. I just want to entertain people. That's my purpose in life. My purpose is to make people smile. Okay. Alright, y'all. Catch you guys later. Peace.